So it is currently 11:15, and I have been spending the morning with writing a list of all the features that I would like to have in the game. I think I came up with something that I would like. I'm still not 100% sure, but for now I'm fairly happy with it. So the next step will be to define those points in more detail. So for example, I would pick out the point go to job and just describe it in more detail. And also I already gave some thoughts about the fighting system. It is fairly basic. I will try to make it more special in the later future, but I'll stick with the basics for now. So yeah, now I will need to leave for university, so yeah, that is that. It is already 8:30 and so far I couldn't do much. I decided to upgrade the libgdx project to a newer version and wanted to use the Gradle build system as well for this project. So I was trying to set up a new project, but Eclipse was not being friendly with me and I couldn't get it working, so I'm using IntelliJ now, and as you can see, it is working fine here. So bye bye Eclipse and hi IntelliJ. Already 10:30 and I'm currently making a tile map for testing. The tile sets now. You can see it gets loaded correctly, and yeah, I can walk, and you can see everything moves accordingly. It doesn't look pretty, I know, but it's just a proof of concept for now. And it is already a bit late, so I'm going to take a rest now and see what I can do tomorrow. So bye. It's almost 7:30 p.m. and I was spending the time to rewrite the code to use an entity component system called Ashely rather than using object-oriented heritage, just to make things a bit more easier for adding more content. So yeah, the progress is going rather slow, but at least I'm making some progress. So this probably will take me a couple of days, so yeah. Just a quick update before midnight. I got most of the component system working now, and you can see that the player is moving into all directions now using the entity component system. Yeah, I think I'll take a break for today and see what I can do tomorrow. I was about to go to sleep just to find out that it's snowing outside. Strange. Good morning, time to go to university. It's a weird day. It's already after 11 p.m. and I was spending the whole day trying to implement the component system code on the server side, but it's going super slow and I'm kind of stuck at the moment, and I think I'm going to take a break for today and try my luck again tomorrow. It is now 1 p.m. and I used the morning to rewrite the server code for the component system. I'm done with the server side now, and later I will move on to the client side. There are still a couple of things missing, but I will leave for the lab now, so I'll do it later in the evening. It is now 20 past 12 and I spent a good portion of the morning and last night trying to resolve a problem, and I finally managed to fix it. The problem was caused because two separate threads were trying to access the same resource, and it was just so difficult for me to realize that that is the problem, but I managed to fix it now. So yeah, it is finally progressing. So what I managed to do now is, you can see that multiplayer is somewhat working now. So the basis is done. Next thing I'll do is to fix this issue. You can see that on this side the one player is clearly in the wrong direction. He should be on the back side, whereas here it's correct. So I just need to do an ordering system where I render the entities with a lower right position so that are lower on the bottom before rendering, after rendering those that are a higher right position. Yeah. After that I'll take a break and I'll start editing the video. So until then. Okay, got that working now. So you can see that moving below the player it's getting rendered correctly, and moving past it the rendering order also adjusted accordingly. It works on both sides. Yeah. One more thing I want to do is to fix the working animation on the client side. So you can see that foreign players don't have a working animation at the moment. So yeah, time to get to work. Okay, that got resolved pretty easy. I just made a stupid mistake for the interpolation calculation, but yeah, all is working now. Cool, I'll take a break now and start editing the video. So yeah, bye. Okay, this is the end of the first week. So this was my first proper devlog, and I'm still learning a lot, so I hope it wasn't too bad. So next time it will be a bit more interesting because I can finally start adding more interesting things to the game, like enemies and NPCs and dialogue and things like this. So I'm excited for next week. Thank you for sticking until the end, and I hope to have you tuning in next time again. So thank you very much, and hopefully see you next time. Bye bye.